Hello guys. Ayan, record na naman ako ng song. Mayroon na namang time para makapag-record. The title of my song, Don't Know What to Say by Ric Sigreto. Here we go. I love you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time to feel this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing its line. I still don't know what to say. What you say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I'll love you and I always will, 'cause it's crazy but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, and here I am, struggling for words, still don't know what to say. What you say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Thank you.